Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. My name is Mary, your online teacher, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how different sounds are combined to make different words. But to start, we are going to look at the two-lettered words. We're currently looking at the two-lettered words. And is your child unable to read? Is your child unable to pronounce a word? So this is the best channel to get your child to. So first you have to look at how they're doing with their sounding, with sounds of different letters. They have to go back to that lesson. We saw that in the previous video. We saw different sounds of different letters from letter A up to letter Z. So your child has to go back and master those sounds so they can be able to bring these sounds together to form a word or to be able to pronounce a word or to read a word. So in this video, I came up with different words, two-lettered words to start with, that are the easiest that we can start with to start forming words from different sounds. So without wasting any time, I will just go straight. I will just go straight to these words that I managed to come up with. So first, we start up with this sound. We saw that in the previous video, we saw that this sound, this letter A, makes sound ah, ah, ah. And this letter makes sound n, 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 n. So when you bring these sounds together, they form a word an, 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 an. So the next word on the list is the word made from these sounds. This sound is called e, 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 t. So when we bring these sounds together, we form a word called it, 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 it is, it, as in it is, it, 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 it. So, and the next word is this word that is formed from these sounds. We already saw that this is sound E, E, and this is sound S, is. This put together makes this word is, is, is. We have this word this is called the open ah. This has the same sound as this one, the same sound as this one. So this is s, a, s, a, s. Bringing these sounds together give us a word as, 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 as. So next we have o, n, o, n, o, n. Making this word on, 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 on,